This is a brand new 2013 Ford Expedition. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 5.4-liter V8, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a parking camera, power adjustable driver pedals, heated seats, XM satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, 7 intelligently positioned speakers, leather seats, a trailer hitch receiver, running boards, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Patriot Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2805 North 9th Street in Purcell.